Hello everyone. Today I am going to talk about three basic but very powerful commands that make our computer work super easy. Cut, copy and paste. These commands save us time and effort every single day. There is first cut. Shortcut key is Control plus X. If we write a single word, that is got, then select this area and press Control plus X. By pressing Ctrl plus X, these words go to clipboard, and after type Ctrl V so we can find the got word again. Then enter and Ctrl V also for backup the got word. Then another command is copy. The copy shortcut key Ctrl plus C. The copy command is similar but it does not remove the original. You have a formula in Excel and you want to same formula in many cells. You copy it and the original stay where it was while you paste it as many times as you want. For example, if we write U, then select and press Ctrl C. It means U word is copy, and if you enter and after press Ctrl V for paste, Ctrl V for paste, Ctrl V for paste. This command only copy the word which you have selected. Third shortcut command is paste, that is Ctrl plus V. We can use paste command earlier in cut command and copy command because cut command and copy command that hide in clipboard, and when we use paste Ctrl plus V, these words is appear. The paste command is used after cut or copy. Whatever you cut or copy something, it stays temporarily in the clipboard and paste bring it to the new location. Okay. The conclusion is Ctrl plus X for cut, Ctrl plus C for copy and Ctrl plus V for paste. Please remember my friend, paste command used both for cut and copy. I repeat, whatever you cut or copy something, it stays temporary in the clipboard and paste bring it to the new location. Thank you for watching.